everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to recover Uber account password. Now to do that, what you need to do is open the Uber application. So what you need to do is open the Uber account in the Google browser. Open a Google browser, click open new tab, and there on the search bar you type in uber.com and press enter. This will open the official Uber web page. Now once you open the official Uber page, you click on login over here. Need to choose the option for how you want to log in, that is sign in to drive and deliver, sign in to ride, sign in to order delivery with Uber Eats, sign in to your Uber for business account. I'm gonna go with the sign in to ride as I want to recover my account of Uber from here. So once you're at this page, you provide your email address, then click on continue, and here you need to provide your password to get logged in. As we are going to recover the account password, you click on I forgot my password, click that. Now a 4-digit code will be sent to the email address of yours. You need to go and check out the code. Click open the Gmail in new tab. There's the Uber mail. You click open that. And here you need to copy this code from here and paste it on this text box. Now you will be able to provide a new password for your Uber account. Type in the new password on the text box. Then click on next. With that, the password will be changed and you will be logged in into your Uber account very easily. This is the way how you can recover Uber account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.